Welcome to G Fun Facts Online. What if the watch on your wrist could do more than just tell time or count your steps? What if it could save your life? That might sound like science fiction, but we're living in an era where it's rapidly becoming science fact. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of wearable technology and how it's transforming from a simple fitness gadget into a sophisticated diagnostic tool, completely reshaping our approach to personal health. This isn't just about tracking calories anymore. We're talking about a fundamental shift from treating sickness to proactively preventing it. By constantly monitoring a whole host of biological markers, the devices we wear every day are giving us real-time insights into our well-being, paving the way for a future where we can spot health issues long before they become critical. So how does the magic happen? At the heart of this revolution are tiny, powerful sensors. Let's break down the key players. First up, you have accelerometers. These are the classic sensors that measure your movement, from your daily steps to, more importantly, the quality and patterns of your sleep. Then there are the photoplethysmography sensors, or PPG for short. You know those little green lights on the back of your smartwatch? That's them. They use light to measure your heart rate variability, and even your blood oxygen saturation, which are all crucial for checking up on your cardiovascular and respiratory health. Many modern watches now also include electrocardiogram or ECG sensors. This technology, once confined to a hospital, can now detect irregular heart rhythms like atrial fibrillation, which is a major risk factor for stroke, right from your wrist. Add in temperature sensors that can give you clues about potential infections, and you've got a powerful health monitor you wear 24/7. But the real game changer lies in the ability of these devices to monitor a wide spectrum of biomarkers, those measurable indicators of what's going on inside our bodies. For instance, continuous glucose monitors, often a small patch, provide real-time blood sugar readings, which is absolutely transformative for managing diabetes. And researchers are pushing for non-invasive methods, like analyzing your sweat. Wearables are also constantly tracking cardiovascular markers like heart rate and blood pressure, giving early warnings for conditions like hypertension. And get this, scientists are developing sensors that can detect cortisol levels in your sweat. Cortisol is the primary stress hormone. Imagine being able to objectively measure and manage your stress. We're also seeing the ability to detect inflammatory markers and monitor respiratory health by tracking breathing rate and blood oxygen, a feature that proved invaluable for remote patient monitoring during the COVID-19 pandemic. But collecting all this data is only half the story. The true magic happens when this torrent of information is analyzed by artificial intelligence and machine learning. These incredibly smart algorithms can spot subtle patterns that a human would miss. By learning your unique biological baseline, AI can detect tiny deviations that might signal the start of an illness, often days before you even feel any symptoms. This is what elevates a wearable from a tracker to a personalized preventative health tool. The implications are profound. We're talking about early disease detection for conditions like AFib and diabetes, which dramatically improves treatment outcomes. It means better management for those with chronic conditions, leading to fewer complications and hospital visits. And it allows doctors to provide truly personalized advice, moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to medicine. And the future? It's even more integrated. We're on the cusp of smart tattoos and flexible skin patches that continuously monitor our biochemistry. We're seeing smart clothing with sensors woven directly into the fabric. Researchers are even developing minimally invasive microneedle sensors that sit just under the skin for ultimate precision. Imagine a future where your doctor gets an automatic alert from your t-shirt about a potential heart issue, allowing for an immediate virtual consultation. This is the promise of diagnostic wearables, a future where healthcare is truly personal, preventative, and always on. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.